Okay, this is the start of lesson number 4, review of lesson number 3, and the first exercise for lesson number 4. This is typical BC rainforest weather, and we are going to do our first hidden buried truffle hide. Okay, and we'll let her out. Okay, Fancy, come on out. Fancy, truffle. Truffle. She may not want to be out in this rain. I don't blame her. Come on, Fancy. I've hidden it over here on the side walkway. Fancy! Fancy, come here! She's looking everywhere. Oops. My camera is getting waterlogged. I've actually hidden 2 tins. Fancy? 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 Oh. What did you find, Fancy? What did you find? Yeah? Yes. That's a good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Show me. Show me, because I'm getting soaking wet. Show me. Good girl. Did you find it? Did you find it? Yes. Yes. Show me. Show me. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. That's 1. Yeah. Good girl. Let's see. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? The other one's harder because it's in the recesses of the greenery. Let's see if she can. Oh my. She knows. She knows the game. Where is it, Fancy? Where is it? Huh? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I've never let her hunt in this part of the backyard before. Yes. Getting close. What have we got? Hey! Did you find it? Show me. Show me where it is. Show me. Show me where it is. Show me. Show me. Camera's getting wet. Hurry, show me. Good girl. Did you find it? Where is it? Show me. Show me. Good girl. Yeah. Where is it? Show me. Show me better. I'm drowning here. Oops. Plastic. Good girl. Good girl. Where's the truffle? Where's that truffle tin? Yes. Yes, you found it. Good girl. Good girl. Hopefully don't pick up any slugs. Yes. She's pulling at it. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Is that it? Huh? Show me. Show me. Are you going to show me? Yeah, good. Show me. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, that's enough for this wet owner.